Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a photo in InShot 2025. InShot isn't just for video, it also has a powerful photo editor that lets you quickly enhance and customize your pictures. First, open the InShot app on your phone. Instead of choosing video, tap on Photo, and then select the picture you want to edit from your gallery. Once your photo is loaded, you'll see a toolbar at the bottom with all the editing options. Let's go through the basics. Start with filters. Tap on it to browse different styles, like vintage, bright, or cinematic looks. Adjust the intensity using the slider until it feels right for your photo. Next, go to Adjust. Here, you can fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, highlights, and shadows. Play around until your photo looks balanced and polished. Want to crop or resize? Tap on Canvas. You can choose preset sizes for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, or even custom dimensions. You can also add creative touches. Tap on text to insert words or stickers to place fun elements. For a professional touch, try using overlays to add extra effects once your edits are done. Preview the photo to make sure everything looks good. Finally, tap on the export button in the top right corner and save it to your phone. You can even choose the quality or directly share it to social media from InShot, and that's it. That's how to edit a photo in InShot 2025. Simple, fast, and full of creative options. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.